Welcome to Love is Crafting.
Love is crafting.
I'm Stanton.
And I'm Tila.
And if you're new to the channel, thanks for checking us out. For all you returning subscribers, thanks for the support.
Here on this channel, we show you how to do crafts and other DIY projects that are real, but not necessarily perfect, because love isn't perfect. And today we are playing with paper.
Yes, we are doing a DIY gift card holder for the tool lover in your life. But before we jump into it, make sure you like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Love is crafting.
Love is crafting.
We got our file from Etsy. We'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below.
Okay, so the Cricut has completed cutting all of our materials. We are going to start with the main portion here, which is the overall tool chest. We're going to look for all these small indentations and just
all the score lines.
All the score lines. Just fold them towards the middle. All right, so this is giving us our base. So let's start here. First thing we're gonna do, take our glue stick and we're gonna put some glue here. To put glue on these two areas. First one and the second one. Up and down. Second portion here. Let's reglue this. This is not sticking as well as I would like it to, so. All right, so this is our base of everything we're gonna do. So let's put that there. We'll work on our two drawers now. First with the top drawer, same thing, we'll find our score lines, fold everything towards the middle. All right, so first thing we'll do is glue on this portion. And we will go and do the same thing on the next side. Then these two little sections here. We'll put glue there. All right, so we have our first drawer here. Now let's go with the bigger drawer, which is going to be the bottom drawer. You know the process already. Score lines towards the center. I think I'm going to make these bends a little bit more aggressive by using my finger to go across the score lines. Fingernail, I should say.
Why are you being more aggressive on these score lines and not as...
Well, you see this, it seems like it's bowing out some, and I think it's really because the folds aren't as aggressive, so. And what I'm doing, I'm being aggressive on the outside of the drawer, so that way it is not visible when during the final product. So let's go first side here. Second side. All right, and the front side. Gonna be here. I think I've learned my lesson, and I think I'm gonna do one at a time because sometimes this glue dries a little bit faster than I'm working. So if you do one at a time, gives yourself a margin of error. So that way, if you're moving slower, but it's okay because there's not another side that's already drying. So
yeah, hot glue dries really fast
and burns a little bit, you know.
Well, it's hot.
Sacrifice for the craft, right?
You know, you don't get a little bit of an injury. You didn't do it right.
All right, so this side, or the main portion, should be finished drying. What we have is now this middle section. So what you want to do, add the bottom drawer, and then see where it comes up to. I'm going to use a pencil and mark the areas where it comes up to. It's going to come up to here, on that side, and here.
So you just put the bottom drawer in there, and now you're marking where it is, so you know where to put the second drawer.
Yeah, so I'm gonna actually take this out because this is just a way to mark where actually not the top drawer is gonna be, but the separator is gonna be. This is a separator. We're gonna do the same thing. Go inwards. Boom. Aggressive folds. Fingernail. And I'm gonna put it this way. Also, still gonna do this one at a time. Let's go with this one first. All right, we know that the side with the mark has to go at least past that. I'm actually gonna go a little bit higher up to give me margin of error. Like I said, margin of error is like the phrase of the day, right?
Yeah.
Once that is set, I'm gonna hold this so that way I can bend this out without actually folding the separator. Put the glue on the separator, find my mark, and put it same thing, just a little bit above the mark that I made. So that way it is square. This has a bow in it, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually make this fold a little bit more aggressive. And just like that, I'm gonna do the other side too. Makes it squared off more. So let's see how well we did. Bottom drawer fits in very well. Top drawer also fits in well. Perfect. All right, so now we are done with our main portion. We're gonna take the drawers back out, as we know that they fit perfectly now, and work on the drawers. So we have these sections, same thing, there's a score line in the middle. We're gonna fold those on the score line. Do an aggressive fold, because why not? Both of these. And then I am going to match it to the top. Put some hot glue on it. All right. Those little drawers. So since this one is dry, I'll let that one dry. Go to this next portion, which is just a black portion. We're gonna just add here a little razzle dazzle, if you say.
Razzle dazzle, razzle dazzle.
Is that a thing?
I don't know. It is now.
It is now.
We made it into a thing. There. Gives it like kind of depth, which I like. Yeah, it'll all look really good when it's all put together.
You're saying it doesn't look good now?
No, it looks good. It looks great.
Thank you.
That's nice.
All right, and I think that completes our drawers there. All right, now back to main piece. Let's go with, this is gonna go here as a piece to hang our tools. We're just gonna go, add some more glue to this, of course, but we're just gonna go with the top and the bottom. All right, now this part is gonna go on the top, but what we are doing is we are going to add a little birthday wish. This is gonna be
And keep in mind, you can always, instead of handwriting it, you can always have your Cricut do handwriting. So you would just create your text, and then you would do a handwriting, and you would just attach it to this piece so that it would write and cut. We are using this gift card holder for a birthday, but it can always be used for any other occasion. This would also make a perfect Father's Day gift card holder.
That should be dry. Happy birthday, Paw Paw.
Looks good.
Oh, thank you. But now is our time to just put some glue on this portion and go all the way around.
Why the circular motion?
You know, a lot of people use glue sticks as a bead. The bead is a little bit uncontrollable, but the circular motion makes it kind of flat. So it's almost like using a glue stick. And if you don't, you know, glue sticks, you learn how to use in first grade. And I got a first grade education apparently, so that's as good as I got. Happy birthday, Paw Paw. Now, time for our tools. The good thing is the wrench already complete. Let's put that here.
Yeah.
I think here.
All right.
One side over. Okay. I think after this dries, we'll probably go through and take off the
excess hot glue. Yeah.
excess hot glue.
Pull off the hairs or the strings or whatever you want to call them.
Now we have the hammer. Let's add a little bit of glue on that.
So some people might be thinking, why do all this work for a gift card holder when you can just go and buy one? Well, you know, we think about that kind of stuff too, but when you do it like this, you can customize it, and it just looks so much better than just buying a gift card box or card off of the shelf that any person can have. Like this one takes time and effort and, you know, love. So
growing up, we weren't allowed to do gift cards for Christmas or birthdays because it was too impersonal. But what do you get for a man that has a bunch of tools and you don't know what tools they are, you don't know what tools he needs? You get him a gift card so he can get the tools that he wants and he needs, but at the same time, now you can make it not
very personal.
No, very personal.
Yeah, now you make it very personal.
Now you make it very personal, yes.
Instead of a gift card, because you can give a gift card to anybody, right? But when you spend the extra time to make a gift card holder, it makes it that much more special. It's okay, it doesn't have to be perfect.
Love isn't always perfect, right?
Absolutely. And our projects don't always come out perfect. But that's okay.
All right, so tools are added. And let's put so what we are gonna do, this is gonna be the actual gift card holder. We're gonna put the gift card here. And then in here, Pawpaw's favorite candy are Snickers and Paydays. So we are going to add some Snickers and Paydays in the big bin.
You know, I don't think Paydays come in bite size, so it'll probably just be Snickers in there.
They should. Paydays are my favorite too, so.
And there it is.
All right, and we'll clean this up later here.